Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Facebook privacy settings step by step clearly. Open your Facebook app or website and log into your account. Locate the downward facing arrow in the top right corner of the page. Click on the arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Next, click on Settings. You will now see a sidebar on the left side of the screen. Look for Privacy and click on it. In the privacy settings, you will find several options to adjust your privacy. Start with Who can see your posts? Click on Edit next to this option. Choose your preferred audience from the drop-down menu. Repeat this step for Who can send you friend requests? Adjust the settings as per your preference. Now, scroll down to How people can find and contact you. Review each option and click Edit to make changes. Consider changing Who can look you up using the email address you provided. Adjust the setting according to your comfort level. Do the same for Who can look you up using the phone number you provided. Once you've reviewed these options, scroll back to the sidebar. Now, click on Timeline and Tagging. Check the settings for Who can post on your timeline. Look at Who can tag you in posts. Set this to your desired level of privacy. Next, click on Apps and Websites in the sidebar. Review the apps connected to your Facebook account. Remove any apps that you no longer use or trust. Finally, scroll to the bottom and check Ad Preferences. Adjust your ad settings to limit how advertisers can target you. Once you have made all your changes, your privacy settings will be updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.